Travis, Lone Star Paramotor. I want to show you a nice trick to putting your wing away for high wind conditions. That way when you open your wing, it's easy to inflate and kite in high wind conditions, say something like the beach. First thing to do, I want to make sure that every time I put my wing away, I want to put my risers together like this at the connection points. Makes it to where it's really difficult for it to get tangled, even if the risers go through. It's a closed system and it's always easy to take care of. Before I put my wing away, I want to make sure that my lines are more or less clear. That way when I take it out in high winds, I don't have to worry about that. So the first thing I'm going to do, drape the lines across my arm, get them into my hand, and I'm going to slowly walk to the wing and make coils about the size of a basketball. And I'm going to walk to the wing, lifting the lines as I go. And you'll notice that the wing tips start to come to me. That rosette shape is going to help us in the end. To do that. Now when I get to this point, I'm going to go get my bag. I like to leave enough slack between my risers and the wing so that when I put it away, I'm going to put the lines down first. That way I know right now they're not tangled, and when I get back to the wing, they're not going to be tangled. I'm going to place the wing over all that. At this point, I'll collapse the cells. You can grab about 4 or 5 at a time and collapse them. Keeps the battens from getting folded in such a way that it'll take a memory. Now, I'm going to go ahead and put all that on top of itself. I'm going to start to close the bag. This is a drawstring bag, so I'll close it a little bit. Go ahead and stuff the excess fabric on top, trying to keep those collapsed cells all together. It'll take 2 or 3 times of doing that to get the wing all the way into its bag. And then I just coil that up and put it in there. I don't even tie it in a knot. It makes it easy to get to next time. Now, when I get somewhere like the beach where there's high winds, I know that it's already in a rosette shape. So what I do is I just search for this coil of lines. I take that out. I follow the lines all the way till fabric. And now I'll just place it in a ball, just the way I put it away. The logo of the wing is right here, so that's the center of the wing. I'll walk to the end of my riser lines. Now the wing's going to stay that way until I pull on the A lines. If I pull on the A lines with a decent amount of wind, the wing is just going to open, inflate. I can inspect the lines. I can even go ahead and clip into my motor first because I know I'm going to be able to inspect the lines when it's up in a reverse configuration. So, simple as that. Nice quick tip just to make things easier on you, especially if you know you're going to go fly in a windy condition. No fancy knots, not even tying it. Just put the excess line in the bag. I'll rely on this clip to keep the bag closed. That's all for this tip. Have a good one. See you in the skies.